Cody, thank you. Guys, I really don't know how long we're gonna be on, but we're gonna try our best. So push a little bit before I go to the gym. Haber, how do you say your name? Haberdasher, where are you from? If you. Dude, like, guys, what the fuck? This is like, that's why like I don't come on at this time. But we're gonna stay on for 2 more minutes so we can get the full reward thingy, whatever. I know. Technically, it's 2 more minutes. It's 2 more minutes and then we're out of here, y'all. Um. Oh man. That's crazy. Guys, 1 more minute. I'm out of here, chat. I'm out of here, guys. I'm going to the groceries. I'm going to the gym. I am out of here.